How to use Zora app. Here is Zora app, new interesting Web3 app where you can post your content and earn revenue. So here is the app. You can see it in here. This is how it looks like. So post to create a coin, see what content people are buying and selling, earn every time your coin is swapped, get paid instantly, add free feed. So here is the app. It's super easy to create an account. You don't need an invite code. And basically the idea is that, you just have it like that. That's your account. You can enable notifications, and then you can see like your profile, very similar to Instagram. And then this app, basically people are posting all types of content in here. And each image is kind of similar to NFT, but it's not NFT. Each image is basically a new coin. So by creating a new image, you minting a new coin. I don't know what they're using, Solana, Ethereum. And then when people interact with your image, and when people wanna buy it, eventually you earn some coins. So here is my image which I just posted. You can see that there are 0 people who bought it. Just for example, there is like the first number $25. So I don't know, probably just shows the market cap of the coin. Then you can see how many people swapped it or traded it. And then that's basically the idea. And then you have your wallet. So you see your sparks. So as you can see, I posted 4 test images. So far I have 0 volume, but I just started with this app. I have sparks, so you might receive less when selling coins with low trade volume. So there is trade volume, and then there is how many people swapped it, and I think that's defining the price of your coin. And then you can just swap it to sparks, which is internal coin in this app. And then you have holdings, which you can then just cash out in here in the menu. This is so they're just using Ethereum address for that. So your only task is when you just tap plus, you need to publish engaging content and get followers and get people like it. So as you can see, this type of kind of Web3 content, memes and all kind of stuff like that. When you posting something engaging, people will start to interact, will start to swap it, and will start to follow you, and then you will get more followers and you can earn some revenue in this app. So that's the idea. So you might say, all right, there are like thousands of these NFT marketplaces, but this is a bit different. This is super straightforward. You don't even need to connect your MetaMask or any other wallet. You just post in an image, and then you're just minting a coin. So that's, as I understand, how it's used. There is also invite code, so feel free to use my invite code in this app. So here it is, feel free to use it. This is my invite code. When you're using it, I will get some sparks for free. You might also get some sparks for free. So that's basically the idea. So hope this is fun, and thank you for watching.